Hey, welcome back. Coach Tut here for another installment of what's going on in PE. This week we are working on throwing and catching. And so far we've only worked on throwing things underhand. We will start doing overhand things next week. So there'll be a new overhand throwing video for you for next week. For this week, just to get you started, this is a really easy way to make an object to throw and catch at home. Take a pair of socks. I'm gonna take the first sock and I'm just gonna put it into as much of a ball as I can. And I'm gonna take that sock and I'm gonna put it all the way down inside the second sock, just like I would put my foot in it if I was gonna wear this sock. And push it all the way down to the end. And then I'm just gonna keep turning the sock kind of inside out and folding it over and folding it back. And it's not gonna make a perfectly round ball, but it is gonna make something, an object that is pretty easy for me to throw, and it's also fairly easy for me to catch because when I wrap my fingers around it, it kind of squishes a little bit, which makes it really catch friendly. So it's a good way to learn. Now, if I wanted to play catch with you, I would hold my sock ball down at my side. This is the hand that I use to write. This is the hand that I use to throw with. So it's gonna be here. I'm gonna step with the foot on the opposite side. So if I was stepping towards you, I would do that, and I would do one tick-tock with my elbow still straight if I'm throwing it to a friend, and I would want this to travel in a rainbow trajectory or a rainbow path from myself to you, where then you could reach and grab to catch it. Now, we don't always have somebody that we can play catch with, but we can always play catch by ourselves. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see it. I'm gonna throw, and when I first start, I'm gonna use pretty light force, which means my hand's gonna move pretty slow. I'm not gonna keep my elbow all the way straight. I'm gonna need to bend my elbow so that my hand is pointing pretty much straight up. So that's where my sock ball goes. And then I'm going to either reach and grab up here to catch it, or kind of let it come to me, but I'm still gonna reach out and grab with all my fingers. What I wanna try to avoid, just using my arms and my chest and trying to trap it. That is usually the first way that we learn how to catch, but by the time students get into kindergarten, first, second, third grade, we want them to learn to catch with their hands, because that's a little bit better way of catching. It's a little bit more sure-handed way of catching and securing any kind of object that you're trying to catch. So I would just take this ball, throw it up to myself, reach and grab, or reach out this way and grab. And if you notice, my eyes are watching my sock ball the whole time. I'm not looking at my camera trying to reach and grab. It's a little bit, I can kind of do it because I have a lot of practice at it, but what I really want to do is make sure my eyes are looking where I want my hands to go, so I know where to catch the ball, in case my toss isn't quite perfect. Okay, so those are a couple of things that you can work on this week. Grab a pair of socks, grab your children, play a little catch this week.